So the three things I decided to choose for this photo to talk about is the vantage point, the time, and the light. And so for the vantage point, you can see that there's that the photographer was probably angled towards the left side of these people right here, somewhere in front of them over in this area. What looks like to be a father and daughter, decently close to them. I see that they're probably inside of a house. You see like there's a door right there in the background, and probably some walls. And he's probably like sitting down on something. The daughter is standing, leaning into him, looking whatever's in front of them. So I feel like the walls in the background kind of adds a little more depth to the photo, because you can see that the focus is on them and the background is just there, but you can still see, you can kind of see what's in the background. And for the time, I would say it's a still time. Doesn't look like they've been moving for quite a while, just staring at whatever is in front of them. And yeah, again, they're focusing on something, maybe a window. There's the shadows of some lines or something, so maybe it's like blinds. Something outside. Kind of makes you wonder what they're looking at in the distance. Kind of adds that that cool feature to this photo. You're kind of like, I wonder what's in front of them, because you can't really see what they're looking at. You can only go based off of the shadows that you see. Something bright outside. And finally, for the light part, the interesting thing about this photo is that there's multiple spots you can see where the light is coming from. There's light coming from the outs, like maybe there's a window behind them. There's a really harsh light behind the girl, and more of a subtle light coming outside, like I said, from maybe a window or something. Pretty harsh light at the bottom right here. So I would say that it's a kind of a directional, diffused light, but harsh at the same time. But I would say that the most important part of this photo when it comes to light is the light that's coming towards them, in front of them. Because, I mean, the focus is more on them, not the back of the girl's dress. So you can see that this light is coming towards them. It's highlighting them, and then seeing the shadows right here, and then right here as well. A little bit of shadow right here, and then shadows in her dress, and shadow of whatever goes right here too. And of course there's a little shadow right here where the door is. But most importantly, there's the shadow right here. And so it appears to be there's some kind of window that they're looking out. They're looking out to something.